What's good, Bike Life Motorsports? We back with another one. So I picked up the snap ring pliers and we'll be able to start cracking into this. It's going to start taking off the gears and we are definitely going to split these cases right now. Let's get to it. Destroys the gear. Yo.
Can you open the window for me?
What you do? We ran into one more issue. So this bolt is stripped. I gotta see how I'm finna get that bolt out of there. I know y'all probably like, damn, bro, when you gonna split these cases? Hurry up. But once we get that out, I can split them and we can go from there. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.